Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. And in my last video, or actually 2 videos ago, I picked this very lock here with the with the Lockwood spools in them, or in it, I should say. I have since replaced them with the Lockwood bevel drivers, and I'm going to pick it again and see how they compare. I know some people say the bevel drivers are quite a bit harder to pick than the spools, so that's what we're going to find out today. Like I said, a good side-by-side comparison. Same lock, same bitting, only difference is the drivers. So yeah, without further ado, let's chuck this up. And actually, before I get into this, I've been meaning to get at this a bit sooner, but I've been so busy lately with different projects and stuff. I'm helping my mom out with a renovation, and also working on some projects myself. One of them being this awesome bilock in a 570 oval from my buddy Paul. Yeah, we got a key made for it, and actually took a couple attempts. The first time I made a couple mistakes, and it wasn't turning out the way I wanted to, so I just started over. And yeah, came out pretty good. You can see the bitting on this one side is pretty tame, but it's master pinned, so I kind of took the easiest gates, basically. So there we go. Have a bilock 570 to go with my bilock rim, which is just awesome. Like I said, 2 locks that I never ever thought I would have in my collection, and yeah, there they are. That's what can I say? This community is just awesome, guys. Where's my tension wrench? Oh, there it is. So we're going to do the same thing as last time. 50 thousandths pry bar, my go-to hook, and we'll see how this holds up. I actually haven't picked this yet, so kind of wish we had a bit better lighting on this situation, but I'm going to try to adjust the contrast, or the exposure, and see, that's why I try not to do this too often. I'll have to keep it at that, I guess. It's a bit better. Alright, so here we go. Number 3. Got a click out of him. 6. Having a hard time to get under. Ooh, that was just sliding off of it. There, I'm under it. Got a click off him. I think we're on 1. I think we got 1 click off of it. 4. 5 again. Sorry, 5 and 6 again, but I think 6 is good. Three, 4, 5, 6. So, okay, number 2. No. So it feels like everything's set right now. I think now we just have to give a bit more attention. Oh, and there we go. I was going to say we have to give each pin a bit more attention, because it's with those beveled pins you're kind of at the shear line, but you have to kind of coax them up the rest of the way. But that wasn't too bad. That was actually the first time picking this lock with those beveled pins. You can see it's picked, and I'll show you guys what they look like. Might need to readjust here and relock. I suppose I should mess with the exposure more often. Sometimes it really screws things up and I'm messing with it for like 3-4 minutes, but sometimes it works out alright. Or we get the shot we need. Okay. Use this pitting tray from West Coast Picks. Flip follower. And we should be good to go. I actually forget if these are beveled as well. I think maybe some of them are. Tiny bevels on them. Or tapers. Some people call them, I guess there probably is a difference between a bevel and a taper. In fact, I know there is. And these are, like I said, all the Lockwood bevel drivers or tapered drivers, whatever you want to call them. I really love these locks. These and these cylinders are awesome too. The Australian oval format. I was just actually watching a few of Don's locks videos, well, a little while ago, and I honestly never knew that Abus made a lock that accepts these cylinders, and that's pretty damn cool. I would love to get one of those sometime. So there we have it. Where's my pick? Try to get a refocus. So yeah, all standards, well, modified standards. The famous Lockwood beveled or tapered drivers up top, and just for comparison, the spools that we looked at last time. Beautiful, beautiful pins. I think these are what you see in older Lockwoods, and I think the newer ones are updated with these spools here. Like I said, awesome locks to pick. Really, really great tolerances. Yeah, really happy to have some of these in my collection. Paul, thanks again. Really, really appreciate your help. Really means a lot to me. And everyone else, I appreciate you guys stopping by and watching. And as always, don't give lockpicking a bad name. Don't pick locks that you don't have permission to or that don't belong to you. Alright guys, take care and see you in the next one.